is a new heat pump 80-gallon water heater system installed by Douglas Cooling and Heating, running in heat pump mode.